A tiny bird is helping researchers answer some big questions. Local researchers tracked a hummingbird from Baldwin County to Alaska. WKRG News 5's Taylor Boyson explains how technology is unraveling secrets about migration.
Hidden among the trees, one of nature's smallest birds is preparing for a remarkable journey. Officials with local research group, the Banding Coalition of the Americas, say one hummingbird tagged right here in Baldwin County traveled thousands of miles, flying from Lillian, Alabama, all the way to Juneau, Alaska in just 38 days.
Up until about 2 years ago, we didn't have technology that was small enough to be used regularly.
Now, BCA researchers permitted through the U.S. Geological Survey Bird Banding Laboratory are using tiny solar-powered transmitters about the size of a grain of rice to track hummingbird migration patterns.
Not only are these tags really good at collecting data, but they're also small enough, light enough, and we have the appropriate expertise to make sure that these birds are doing okay.
BCA researchers attach the transmitter to feathers on the hummingbird's back. As the bird begins its migration to breeding grounds, the transmitter will ping off of nearby Bluetooth devices, sending a GPS location to a research database.
We want to see the movements of these birds and be able to figure out where they're stopping over, the resources that they're using.
But this research isn't about just tracking these birds. It's about protecting them.
The whole point is conservation, ultimately. Hummingbirds population numbers are down pretty much across the board, and we want to know why they're failing.
And some of those answers could be found right here on the Gulf Coast. Researchers say Baldwin County serves as a critical stop for many migratory birds.
The Mobile Tensal Delta, that is a hub of insects and native plants and berries that a lot of these migrants are using.
So what can you do to help?
It's really important to have these backyard habitats where birds can stop and tank up. Plant native. You can have a feeder up, it's not going to make them stay, but have a buggy yard. Make sure that there are plenty of resources, not only for hummingbirds, but for all the other migratory species coming through.
Giving these tiny travelers one more place to rest and refuel on an extraordinary journey. In Baldwin County, I'm Taylor Boyson, WKRG News 5.